All right, good evening, everyone. So today we will go through the assignments that you guys have done, and then we'll proceed ahead the next part of the wireframing. Okay, so let's start. Raise your hands if you are done with your assignments. Hello. Yeah, please raise your hands if you are done with your assignments. Okay, great. So, all right. So we'll start with Honey first. Please share your screen and present your assignments. Okay. Okay. Have you set the prototype?
No.
Sorry.
No.
So the first thing that you have to do is set the prototype uh, viewport. You know? So have you set the viewport?
Oh, no, I have not. Just
Okay. So first go to your file, set the viewport height, and then present it. So what's the width that you have taken? 1440. So according to 1440, what would be the viewport height? No, not from there. Go back, go back. Go to prototype. Prototype on the right, next to design. Yes. Click on show prototype setting. Right. And device, yes. Select custom. Set the width as per the artboard, which is 1440. Yeah. Please set the prototype. Please set the viewport in the prototype. I mean.
which I did now.
You didn't yet. Click on prototype settings. Yeah. Set the width 1440. Yeah. And what would be the height? So
This.
honey, your height will be dependent on the width. In the last lecture, we went through this, that if the width is 1440, the ideal height of the resolution is 900. Correct? So you
Hmm.
have to deduct 150 pixels from that, and the viewport height will be 750. So in prototype, set the viewport height as 1440 by 900.
900.
Yes.
Now.
Yes. So now preview it. Yeah. Go to the option top right. Here, your options on the top right, next to share actual size. Click on actual size. Yes. Okay. Scroll. Keep scrolling. So add some text here. What is this 1, 2, 3 dot dot?
Okay.
Next. Scroll, scroll. Scroll. Okay. Have you designed the other pages also?
Other pages with this home page.
So I asked now that design rest of the pages.
Yeah.
So then, okay,
Yeah,
no
I'll
worries.
complete it.
Okay. So let's move on to Niket. After Niket, Ashish. Whoever has completed their assignment, please raise your hands so that I can ask you guys one by one to present.
Yeah.
Yes, you can see the screen.
Okay.
Okay. Hmm. Okay. Nice. Next. Cool. Cool. Nice. Okay. 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 So this is a good example of a wireframe. The only thing is that the gray background is not needed. The long big gray background is not needed in the uh, wireframe. Yeah.
This one,
Yes.
the background for how pitch works.
Yes.
So, like how we can then differentiate between like different sections.
So then you have to give individual background to individual section. So just do it right now on this call. Just minimize the height of this background. So instead of having it throughout, till the end, just keep it for how pitch works. That's it.
Okay.
Reduce the height. No, drag it. It would be easier. Okay.
Just
Pull
this
it
much.
down. Yeah, pull it down a little bit. I mean, up till the button. Create a presentation till that button. Let's drag it a little more. Yes. Okay. And now just select all the sections at the bottom and pull it down a little. Select all the sections from start, the first point after how pitch works.
Yeah, but Harsh, over here for how pitch works, this background goes from start to bottom, like
Now, so
till
what
here.
they are trying to do is they wanted to, uh, you know, have that presentation sort of a feel. That's why, and this is again a design point, not a wireframe point.
Okay,
Okay.
okay,
Yes.
okay.
So now just pull that a little bit down. These all the sections. Yes. Press shift and then select more. You can select more. Just a little. Shift and down arrow. Yeah. Only that much. Yes. Shift and down arrow.
Yeah,
So more. A little more. Do it 2, 3 times. See around. Yeah. Perfect. Now just increase the height of that gray background again. A little bit. Perfect. So now if you preview it, right, then you'll see that there is a difference. because the boxes on the left and the right are creating the differentiation in the sections. You know?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So as I had mentioned earlier that this is called as a Z pattern. So that's why this left and right section is designed in a way that users focus on the left, then on the right, again on the left, again on the right. So that's why it's called as a Z pattern of scanning the data. Yeah. So
Okay.
this there should be less space between the button which says explore presentation gallery and the gallery at the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's scroll down. Scroll. Okay.
So I've done till here. Also, I wanted to know how can we clip this bottom part of the box? Uh, I just wanted to clip this bottom part of the box, which is coming out of this section.
No, so just reduce the height of that box. No, why do you have to clip?
But it's like rounded corners.
No, so just click on that. Click on that box. On the right side, yeah, click on that.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay. Okay, I will do that. Yeah.
Good.
Okay. Yeah. Got it.
Yeah. So this
Yeah,
is a good.
I just need to do this one, this part, and then footer. That's it.
Okay, okay, cool. This is a good start, Nikhil. I
Okay.
like the alignments. I like the overall feel of it. So it is good. Good start.
Okay. Thanks.
Continue this page and also rest of the pages from page start.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like all the pages which are mentioned over here in the footer.
Yes, the template ones. I mean, when I say template, means if you see pricing page, so that's a unique page. But if you go to say any of the product pages, it will be a similar template where only the content is changing, right? So for that we
Okay.
call it as templates. Yeah. So
Okay.
wherever you feel that this page is similar to the one that I have already designed, don't do that page.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. And also, yeah. Okay. No worries.
Okay. So Ashish, please share your screen now. So Drashti and Vineet, have you guys completed the assignment?
हाँ जिगीशा ने आपको फॉरवर्ड किया मैं जस्ट फॉरवर्ड करती हूँ
Okay. So Jigisha is not on the call.
यस यस शी इज विद मी
Okay. So Jigisha, have you completed the assignment?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after Ashish, please share your screen. Yeah, Ashish, you can see the screen. Okay. So here also common feedback. You don't have to drag the entire background, just like the same feedback for Nikhil, that you don't have to drag the entire background for the wireframes. Scroll down. Scroll. Yeah, this one, this background. So just reduce the background exactly how Nikhil did. You know, we can do it for later. That's fine. Scroll. So the alignment is off here. If you see, there are no icons before jump start or the bullet points. Ashish, Ashish, am I audible? Ashish, I can't hear you. You are on mute. You need to unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so please share your screen. And all I'm saying is that the bullet points are missing.
Okay.
Yeah, please share your screen again.
Okay, okay, sir.
And if this is a button, right? Start sharing now. So make it a different color that it is understood that this is a clickable hyperlink at the bottom. Scroll down. This start exploring now, creating now, sharing now. So that's a link,
Oh,
right?
okay,
Yes.
okay,
So that
okay.
should be a blue.
Different color.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
So this much is done.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, cool. So please complete this, fine tune this, add the bullet points, remove the background,
Okay,
look at the alignments and everything.
okay.
Okay, ठीक है. So Drashti, please share your screen.
Sir, give me 2 minutes, huh?
Okay, Jigisha, till then you can share your screen.
Harsh, I had a question.
Yeah, please.
So while designing these wireframes, should we follow the same width, height, or spacing between the elements and everything uh, from the website?
It's not mandatory for the wireframe, but try to keep it similar for all the sections because all these spacing and everything, right? That is
Yeah,
part of UI. But when you design the wireframe, it should not be all haywire, right? So you take
yeah,
some basic spacing that you should
yeah.
follow in the
So some basic spacing and some basic font sizes, and to follow that for the whole wireframe, right? It
exactly.
shouldn't be exactly as the website is. So
Not
even for the margins or the paddings.
not necessary that it should be exactly same like the website because see
Yeah,
right now what we are trying to do is we are trying to practice the wireframe so that we
yeah,
know what is the alignment, we know what is the spacing, like basic stuff, right?
yeah,
But when
yeah,
you design the wireframe without the actual website,
yeah,
right, then you have to take care of these basic stuff by your own. So because there won't be any reference for that. Right now, you guys have a reference from the website,
yeah.
correct? Yeah. So in that case, you just have to take an approximate idea just by looking at it. Get that, yeah, this looks fine to me. It's not too much of space. So let me give an example. Chalo. So
Okay.
good question. Let me share my screen and give you guys an example.
So at that point of time, if there is no reference when we are designing something new,
Correct.
do we need to design it on a grid and whatever spacing or whatever font sizes which we are using, will those be the same elements used by UI designer for the actual web page?
No,
Same
no, no, not
spacing,
at,
same font size.
no, not at all. Not at all.
Okay, okay,
So let me give you one example of a live project. Okay.
okay.
Just a second.
Also, Harsh, do we need to keep like do we need to design like there will be a carousel, or there will be a box within a box where there will be shadow and everything? Do we need to take care of that as well?
No, not in the wireframe. Nothing at all in the wireframe. Okay,
Okay.
so let me share my screen and give you an example of a transition from a wireframe to the UI design. Okay. So now this is one of the live project that I worked on. Okay. So
Okay.
right now, if you see, it is just a wireframe, not the design. So there is no actual fonts, no actual font spacing. It's just an assumption. So I have taken this bold heading, for the title.
Okay.
Okay. My screen is visible, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you see, I have taken this same heading throughout.
Yeah.
Yeah. Same heading. So a little less font size, but this is just the wireframe of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. That there will be some cards, there will be one call to action, and these will be the data. Okay. This is the navigation.
Okay.
This is how the table will look like, and this is how the checkbox will appear, where it will appear. So the basic idea of a wireframe is that the UI designer should understand what all data points will be there on the website or the wireframe that we are designing. Okay. What all, what is the content bucket? Where and where all do we have the action items? Okay, the layout of it, the basic structure of it. So that is the purpose of the wireframe when we design it. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's see the UI part of it. So now this is the UI design for the wireframes. If you see, this was the page, right? In the
Yeah.
wireframe. So this is the UI design for that particular page. You see the difference?
Yeah.
Yeah. So in the wireframe, what we are saying is that this is the mandatory input that we want. Yeah, from the
Okay.
user. UI designer can take the liberty, add the data points, add some graphical element to it. Yeah.
Okay.
And this is how the final implementation of it is. See the difference?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you see this list of attendance, this and this has a major difference,
Yeah.
right? There are images, the buttons, the placement and everything is similar, but at the same time, you will still see the crisp part of the fonts. Yeah, the spacing is appropriate. Here, if you see, you will see everything is a little bit cluttered here and there. But if you see here,
Yeah.
it is to the point. Yeah,
Yeah.
this is how you get the transition from wireframe to the design.
Okay.
Okay.
So they
Yeah,
add additional data as well.
yeah, because that was then a design call or a requirement call that we need a little more data. So that's fine. Then we added that to the design.
Okay.
Yeah. So the reason why we have to do the wireframe is that it is also a phase where we gather requirements. So you talk a lot with the clients as per this is what we are planning. Are we on the good lines or not?
Okay.
Right. So
So to get
everything
the
is
initial look and feel of the content and the design.
correct. So it is mainly from the what we say the requirement point and the layout structure, data, content bucket, everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got it. Yeah.
So nothing is finalized in the wireframe stage with regards to the font size, the placement, etc. It
Okay.
is a very rough structure that you have to follow. So all this spacing and everything is not exactly the same. You know.
Yeah.
So Drashti, are you ready with your present. I mean the assignment. Drashti, Jigisha.
Yes, sir.
Sharing. Yeah, yes.
This is Jigisha or Drashti.
Jigisha.
Okay.
सर लास्ट स्लाइड बाकी है एक बस.
Okay. This is good. Just try not to use such fonts in the wireframe because it is a little difficult to read. The body text. So if you see, it is very difficult to read. Need to create a pixel perfect layout. No? It is okay for the title, but not for the copy text, the subtext.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so please share Drashti's assignment.
Yes, sir. Just a minute. Sharing. My screen is visible, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Cool.
I have done this much only.
Okay. So one thing is that Konika, have you completed the assignment of Wireframe?
Hello. No.
Okay. No worries. Uh, I would request to please, complete this, and I'll also upload the last lecture. So if anyone wants to revise, they can. Vineet, have you completed the wireframe? It's okay, Drashti. It's good, but just needs some fine tuning.
Sorry?
It needs a little fine tuning, but overall it is a good start.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Bhumisha, even your wireframes are good. Only thing is just change the font of the subtext and the body copy.
Okay,
Keep
sir.
for the headlines.
Okay.
Yeah. Vineet, have you?
मैं थोड़ा
सॉरी,
हाँ, वर्क पूरा नहीं हुआ है। वो होटल का बना रहा था, आर्किटेक्चर, इंफॉर्मेशन आर्किटेक्चर।
सो वायरफ्रेम नहीं बनाया आपने?
नहीं।
अच्छा, प्लीज थोड़ा उस पर एक्सपीडाइट करना, वरना पीछे रह जाओगे।
ओके सर।
Okay, ठीक है. So, so what I would say is that everyone is requested to complete the pitch.com homepage. Okay, don't design rest of the pages. I am giving you guys one more assignment. Okay, to complete.
Okay.
Okay, so what you'll have to do now is we design the information architecture for the travel app, travel website. Correct. So what now you have to do is, based on your research, the competitions, design a wireframe for the homepage, okay, of travel platform. The same assignment that we started. So design the homepage wireframe for that. Is everyone clear with the assignment? किसी को कुछ doubt?
For website?
For website, yes, not mobile app, the website. So design first only the homepage. Okay, you guys have to design only 3 pages first. The homepage. Let me again share my screen and explain. Yes, is it visible? Yeah, so this is the home page. So the first page, then design the search page of flights. This is the search, the listing page of flights, and the hotels page. Okay, I mean the search listing of hotels. So 3 pages only. The home page, the page that comes after searching flights, and the page that comes after searching the hotels. So हमको 3 ही पेज बनाना है स्टार्टिंग में. एक होम पेज, उसके बाद फ्लाइट सर्च करने के बाद जो पेज आता है वो वाला पेज, और होटल्स सर्च करने के बाद जो पेज आता है वो वाला पेज. ठीक है? Is everyone
Yeah.
तो कुछ डाउट्स?
Sir, now size will be same.
Yes.
Okay, like we have done.
सर डिजाइन खुद से बनाना है या किसी वेबसाइट का रेफरेंस लेना है?
मतलब आपको रेफरेंस तो लेना पड़ेगा, बट कॉपी मत करना.
अच्छा, ओके.
रेफरेंस लोगे तो आइडियाज आएंगे. सो ठीक है, मैं आपको एक अप्रोच बताता हूँ कि आप कैसे इसको कर सकते हो. सबसे पहले गो थ्रू करना जितने भी कंपटीशन है सब. ठीक है, जिसमें आपको जो लगता है वो कंपटीशन की वेबसाइट देखो, उसमें से आपको जो अच्छा लगता है, ठीक है, आप एक रफ स्केच बनाओ पहले आपके पास ही, देख लो कि हाँ ये अच्छा लग रहा है, ये ठीक है, ये ठीक है, एंड देन फिर उसके बाद आप उसको फाइनल वायरफ्रेम में बनाना. ठीक है. सो Kunika, again for you, that first take all the references of the competitions of the competitive website. ठीक है. Once that is done, draw a rough sketch for yourself that this is the section that I like from this website, this is the section that I like from this website, and to start with, just then create a wireframe of that particular page. Okay, don't copy as it is. Cool. So still any doubts? Anyone? No, I am assuming everyone is okay with this. Okay.
No, sir.
So the online guys, which is Kunika, Honey, and Niket, and Vineet. So are you guys okay in connecting, or are you guys okay to connect on Saturday in the morning, say 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. IST? Is that fine to you guys? Yes. Vineet.
सर,
हाँ बोलिए।
मेरा हाफ सैटरडे है, मैं 1 बजे के बाद मुझे छुट्टी मिलेगी ऑफिस से।
अच्छा ओके, तो आप नहीं आ पाएंगे ना?
हाँ।
ओके ठीक है। रेस्ट निखिल।
हर्ष, इट विल बी लेट हियर। यहाँ पे 11 AM इंडिया का मतलब यहाँ पे इट विल बी लाइक 12:30 at night.
ओह इट विल बी टू लेट।
Yeah.
ओके हम्म ओके ओके ठीक है चलो. So then offline guys will have the lecture as per the schedule, which is 11 AM to 1 PM on Saturday. For the online guys, I'll update you guys. Maybe then we'll have the lecture on Friday and not on Saturday, because on Saturday for some reason I'm not available, so we may do it on Friday. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So, but I request everyone to please buckle up and complete your assignment, because it is very crucial for your portfolio, for your learning and everything.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So today we are closing the lecture early so that you guys can spend some more time and start with the wireframe. Okay. Because the more you design, only then I'll be able to correct you guys and make you guys understand. Because ab banane mein you won't need my help. You would need my help when you design something and then get my feedback. Yeah. So always keep in mind the UX laws and the behavioral science, that follow, try to follow that while designing the wireframe. Okay. And look at the competitors to start with. So it would be easier for you guys to think about it. So that is how you will start thinking about new layouts or structure. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right, cool. So we end our lecture here only today. I would request again, please complete your assignments and we meet on Friday and Saturday as per the schedule. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay, sir.
Have a beautiful year.
Okay, Harsh. So वो ट्रैवल का जो वायरफ्रेम बनाना है वो हमारे पोर्टफोलियो में आएगा ना वो पूरा.
Yes. Yes.
So if we are designing only 3 pages, like later we have to design more pages also, right?
Yes. 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 So वो जो 3 पेज आप करोगे, I'll come to know what is your thought process. आप सही डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हो या नहीं, whether you are uh, you know doing it right or not, because copying it and designing is a separate thing, but designing something from scratch is altogether a different story, correct? So I'll come to know whether you guys are in that zone or not when you design a complete project from scratch.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
Okay.
Any further
Thank you.
questions, anyone? All right. Okay. So we'll end the lecture here and then we'll meet again in the next lecture. Thank you guys. Have a nice day and we'll wait for your assignments to complete fast. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.